Amazon finds. I found this rack on Amazon. I'm not going to mention the maker and the model because this video is not about that. This rack I thought had solid shelves, but the shelves for this rack require for you to place the pole inside of the fabric and connect the poles to different ends that would put this whole ensemble together. When I made my first attempt at putting this together, I was missing some poles in the very middle, and it was leaning like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. And it would not work if it was leaning. It would not even serve its purpose. So the second try, which took me a few days because I had to look at it carefully to decide how I would put it together so that it was not leaning. And after looking at it several times over several days, I figured out how to put this rack together. I feel so good having used my brain to put this together. It took some time, but this was a project worth doing. Look how neat it looks. If you didn't know that those shelves were not solid, you would think that they were wood or plastic, or maybe not. But I like this rack. It took me all of a whole week to put it together because the instructions were made so that you could create 4 or 5 different versions of this rack and still have some pieces left. So at my first try, I wasn't going for a specific design from the instructions. I thought to myself, well, I'll put it together the way I want to. And it was missing some pieces in the middle, like I said before. But after evaluating it, looking at it over a couple days, I discovered a new way to put this together. I'm making this video as a personal reminder to myself that sometimes all it takes is time and thought. Sometimes you have to leave a project and come back to it with fresh eyes. And this is a testament to that working, because after leaving this project and coming back to it, it became a masterpiece. And if you can take anything from this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.